When we get to the midpoint of the summer, I start thinking about sunflowers and black-eyed Susans. I have black-eyed Susans all over my yard and I absolutely love them. They're almost like miniature sunflowers. So I pulled out the Cheerful Daisies stamp set and colored it like black-eyed Susans. Now the inspiration for this card layout came directly from the annual catalog on page 130, and I just changed up some of the colors of the paper, and it was just really fun to use that layout and make this card. Now, of course, it does kind of start to remind me of fall, late summer, but I'm definitely still enjoying summer. So all I did here is just stamp my flowers onto my basic white cardstock, and then I colored them in with my Stampin' Blends markers, and I love how they turned out. And then I'm going to use the Country Lace Designer Series paper here as my card background, and then we will build up the focal point from there. And I have several different dies that I'm using, and I will have all of the details for this on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have it all listed there for you. I will have links and everything, and it'll show you exactly what I used to make this card. Look at how pretty those colors are with that denim paper. It just looks like denim to me, which I love. So all of these dies here are from the Cheerful Daisies die set. And I love how that just kind of layers all up. And then we will stamp on the sentiment, which is also from the stamp set, and then add these beautiful gems, and the card will be done. So again, hop on over to my website. You can check it out at madetocreatewithlisa.com. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll talk to you again soon.